Hi everybody, welcome to iWin Symbol video. Today I'm going to show you how to install the electric curtain rod. This job is pretty simple. The hardest part is bring the electric outlet close to the motor. Mine is going to be around right there. The motor is going to be right there where my finger is. That's the curtain I'm going to make it electric. You might need it when you bring the electric up there. You might need a licensed electrician. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's open it. See what we got here. The motor. This is a curtain hook. This is where I cut the hand. This is a bracket. This I'm going to install it on the ceiling. This is the bracket came with it. If you install it on the wall, this is different bracket we need. You gotta order different bracket, L bracket. First we gotta set all this is a track or the belt. Set it up first. See this came with a little connector. This is a connector. The connector, make sure it's on the when you put it in, make sure on the middle. I hope you can see it between. Then this is an Allen key on the side. Need an Allen key. Yeah, that's all. Lock it up. Lock both ends. Or just need a little, don't need over tight, just a snuggle. It's aluminum frame. If you over tight, it may be straight. Next, we have to do, we gotta cut the belt by right length. I'll show you how to do it. See, this is a belt. One side is other side is smooth. This is like a little teeth on the one side. I'll show you how to cut this belt. Before you cut it, this is a belt and the track had to be even. One end you gotta keep it like that. Then go along other side. This is a package here, a little plastic, about 4-inch long plastic. Connect it there on the other end of the track. Then belt, measure it like that. We need a 2-piece, same measurement. The clip, plastic clips. Clip it into the belt. Then lock it. It's a runner. Runner is on it. Send it inside the track. other end you have to send it other way. Next is the end piece. This is idle. This is the where the motor go. Motor click in it. This idle one. And you gotta bring more clips. The wheel, that's where you hang the curtain. Send it in. This is 24 is in my package. I need a 24. I put a 12 on this side, 12 on the other end. See what I'm doing? Pull it back, and show the belt inside nice and tight. Then track will run smooth. I'm installing this on the ceiling. See this bracket? This go like this. Then the track over here, snap right here. That's the way that work. I gotta put it about 5 bracket over here. Sure, This bracket is a 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle. This is a track insulation, that's it. I install the motor. So remote is a moment of the truth. Open it. All right, close it now. Okay, that's it. Now all I had, I hang a curtain in there. That's it. Job well done. Open sesame. Curtain rod installed. Thank you for watching.